Hey guys, so this is Andre from the Rich Returns team, and today we're going to discuss our new Stripe integration. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can connect your Stripe account, and this will allow you to charge customers for higher priced items during exchanges, or charge them for your label costs or any prepaid label fees that you have included in your settings. So there's going to be a new payment section in your return settings. We'd need to enable the Stripe payments here, and then we would need a few pieces of information from Stripe, such as your publishable key and secret key. Next off, we should follow the link here, which will take us to our Stripe dashboard. You can see that we are taken immediately to the section where we can find our publishable and secret key. We simply copy that one, copy the other one. Yep, and that's it. That's it for at least for the secret keys here. Next up, we have the webhook URL, which we should generate and copy here in our Rich Returns dashboard. We simply do that by pressing the copy link button here. Go into our Stripe dashboard again. Go into the webhooks section, add an endpoint, paste the webhook we just generated in Rich Returns in the endpoint URL field here. Then select an event to listen to. In my case, I'm gonna choose the checkout session completed event and add this event, and then add the endpoint. Once the endpoint has been added, you're gonna be prompted with the following window, which is gonna show you the webhook that was just created. Simply reveal the signing secret here, copy the signing secret here, and then go back to the Rich Returns dashboard, where you should paste the Stripe webhook signature here. And that would be it in terms of your Rich Returns settings. So that's all the information we need from Stripe. Simply save your credentials and all of the information you just pasted here, and that means your Stripe integration is active.